MAIS, short for Massive MIMO Air Interface Simulator, is the industry-leading air interface simulation solution that allows engineers to create realistic radio wave propagation environment in-lab, including fading simulation, RF channel emulation for CISO, MIMO, MMIMO and beamforming, path loss simulation, phase control for massive antennas, distance-to-site simulation, mobility simulation and more. MAIS has employed both RF and digital processing to effectively satisfy customers' requirement. It takes RF signal from a base station, down converts it to digital baseband signal. Connection matrix and fading is applied to the digital baseband signal based on user test cases. It is conducted by Test Manager. Then, up-converted signal is delivered to UE under test. MAIS is proud of flexible architecture that is easily extendable by adding appropriate slot cards. MAIS can take any number of BS signals and route them to any UE under test. Thanks to digital processing, that signals can be replicated and combined without any loss. Each signal path established by a user's test scenario can be controlled in its magnitude and phase. User can simulate RF environment specified by distance between BS and UE using MAIS. Cell coverage performance can be easily compared by same test scenario with multiple BS connected to MAIS. MAIS supports most of 3GPP and ITU channels as well as user-defined models. Embedded AWGN feature is another advantage of MAIS for users to utilize noise injection without extra test equipment. Massive number of antenna ports can also be connected to MAIS for massive MIMO and beamforming test. MAIS features individual phase and amplitude adjustment per path to create appropriate channel between BS and UE under test. The virtual UE mobility can be simulated through the geographical scenario editor. Users can specify routes that UE would follow with moving speed anywhere on the scenario editor. Based on distance to BS and moving speed of UE, MAIS will generate channels accordingly so that UE can experience RF environment changes. With help from Accuver, users are able to monitor selected KPIs for the scenario. Digital processing also enables to deliver RF signals to target UE at remote site with 0 dB loss. With MAIS, BS and UE don't have to be co-located anymore, they can be separated in a distance of hundreds of meters. The entire system is connected and controlled by local area network, so users abroad may log in and access system resources anytime. So MAIS will allow managers to organize his labs more efficiently, without relocating resources over the entire facility. Accuver Smart Shield is a specially designed shield box that can provide easy connection from to UE antenna by over-the-air manner, with effect of conducted connection. Accuver Smart Shield includes USB port for collecting diagnostic logs and controlling the UE. Built-in MAIS test module allows voice MAIS measurement of commercial UEs. There are two different versions of Smart Shield. One for Sub-6 and the other for MM-Wave. All are equipped with active cooling system, so they practically fit to throughput testing using 5G UE.